Master Fear of Flying is an innovative, state-of-the-art application for Apple iPhone, iPad or iPod. This program was developed by two experienced clinical psychologists who have treated many people for fears of flying. The program is interactive and designed to deliver a personalised recovery plan for anxious and phobic flyers. The following overview will provide the rationale and features of the Master Fear of Flying application. Many people can be treated successfully using office-based treatments. Others, however, either lapse or relapse prior to flying. People may also experience relapse after several successful flights. A return of fear is not surprising, considering that most people fly infrequently. The Master Fear of Flying application has been designed to overcome this problem. The application can be used well before, immediately before, and during the individual's flight. Master Fear of Flying teaches people to use a SUDS or fear scale, helps them to develop a case conceptualisation called a personal recovery plan, deals with pre-flight worry, saves time by selecting what-if tracks that relate to their own concerns about flying, simulates a flight experience to allow repeated exposure prior to flying, guides the person through a thought record to assist them to develop balanced thoughts about their flight experience, assists the person to deal with intrusive images if they are present, assists in reducing unhelpful safety behaviours, and guides the person through a relapse prevention plan. Master Fear of Flying is based on principles derived from evidence-based treatments used to treat other anxiety disorders. It commences by teaching people to use the subjective units of discomfort scale, referred to as a fear scale in the application. The client responds to 7 sets of questions, and these responses are used to generate a case conceptualisation specifically related to them. The diagram shown on the screen now demonstrates the structure of the conceptual model, showing a sample of responses elicited from a client. The model shown is an adaptation of Podesky's 5-part model. Specific items endorsed by the client are used to select audio-visual tracks related to the individual's concerns. For example, Part 2 of the model is used in the track selection process. The goal is to eliminate redundant information and tailor the program to the individual's needs. Dealing with pre-flight worry. A track to manage pre-flight worry would be relevant for all anxious flyers. The pre-flight worry track teaches people about the nature of worry and provides the skills required for worry management. Most of the tracks that follow include role-play situations to demonstrate how a client with a fear of flying would work on their problems with a therapist.
Sarah, you said you might have to get out. What goes through your mind when you think that?
I guess because people are quite close in a confined space and I feel that I don't get enough air and that's really uncomfortable. The person using the app is then invited to do a number of exercises to develop skills to manage their fear of flying. The following tracks have been developed in Master Fear of Flying. An introduction to the program, the concepts behind the program's approach to treatment, the recovery plan, pre-flight worry, the what-ifs, imaginal exposure, physical sensations, thought records, managing images, safety behaviours, and maintaining recovery. Following the case conceptualisation or personal recovery plan, people are taught skills to deal with pre-flight worry. Subsequent sub-tracks teach people to deal with 9 different what-ifs. People only receive the specific what-ifs that apply to them. In these tracks, people are taught to make use of a number of skills, including Socratic dialogue, exposure techniques, behavioural experiments, and imagery. Clients are guided through how to develop a thought record to assist them in developing more balanced ways of thinking about their flight experience. After completing a thought record, clients are guided through ways to understand and manage troublesome images if they are present. Emphasis is also placed on assisting people to reduce the use of unhelpful safety behaviours. And as you can see here, the Master Fear of Flying program finishes by allowing the client to develop their relapse prevention plan. The app allows the user to revisit their personal recovery plan, thought records, relapse prevention plan, and other learnings at any time using the home menu. The Master Fear of Flying program is recommended as a sophisticated evidence-based application designed to provide a personalised recovery plan for anyone who has a fear of flying. For more information, please visit masterfearofflying.com.